This is why you should never go out of stock on Amazon and how it's affecting you. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hayden. I'm the founder of Amazon ClickFox Agency, where we help manage and grow people's PPC and Amazon accounts. And I also sold a brand for 6 figures. I'm building another one soon. Now, when it comes to out of stock, I had this breakthrough recently when I've had many clients in the past. I've had many people that I've helped myself in the past that have always asked me, why are my results not quite where I want them to be? Why is my total advertising cost of sale not where I want it to be? Why am I not getting enough organic sales? And what always comes up, I would say honestly 85% of the time, is their in-stock rate is really low. Like either they've got many items that are less than 20, 15, 10 items in stock, which means Amazon's already going to start suppressing them from search, or they're completely out of stock of 3 or 4 or 5 SKUs on a consistent basis. Whether you're doing private label or whether you're doing some sort of bundles, your own listings, this is a massive no-no. As a general rule, I say never launch new products until you can stay in stock consistently with your old ones. Why is it so important? So that's the first thing out of the way. Most people don't realize how important it is to stay in stock and how much it's affecting their account. They're so busy, wrapped up trying to think about new product launches and how they can grow their business. They stop looking at the main thing. They get misjudged from the main thing and get distracted from the main thing, which is staying in stock with your products. If you're not in stock, no one can buy your stuff. That's just like an analysis and awareness that I've noticed. So that's it. You know, I realized that people just don't monitor it as much as I always did. And sometimes it gets to a stage where it's a little bit excessive, you know, like I had to make sure that I wasn't going to go out of stock. So are you preparing to get back in stock? Are you monitoring your stock correctly and reordering it at the correct times? You probably need to sort your processes out there if you consistently keep going out of stock, right? And then secondly, this is the most important thing. If you're out of stock, it sometimes takes 2 or 3 days to restore your rank. And when you restore the rank, when you go back in stock, generally, it won't be at the same rank for like a week or 2 weeks. What happens in that time is that it firstly shows Amazon that you're not as good seller as the people that are in stock, so they don't start allowing you more search and stuff like that and awareness to customers. But also over time, it's allowing you to give your competitors, you're allowing your competitors to start getting the upper hand. If you're out of stock for a week or 2 weeks, you know, even if you're out of stock technically for a couple of days, when it's inbound and showing as reserved, Amazon's still trying to rank you. And it's kind of like you're not getting sales and it's affecting your click-through rate and your conversion rate and stuff like that. People are clicking into it and then realizing the delivery is going to be a few days, so it puts them off. So it's allowing your competitors to get the upper hand on you. That's why it's so important. I can't stress this enough. It surprises me, no matter what level of seller you are, no matter what expertise and how long you've been doing this, the amount of people that are focusing on the wrong thing, avoiding staying in stock, when they should just be making sure they stay in stock and not focusing on any of this glamorous other stuff to try and grow their sales, right? Stay in stock. It's going to help you so much. If you go out of stock, generally, if it takes you a week or 2 weeks to get back in stock once you go out of stock, God, that is going to have, over time, that is having significant effects on your organic rank because the competitor is taking you over. Don't let that happen to you. It happened to me before. If you want to contact me or my agency, click the links below. I'll see you soon.